Hi everyone, in this video, I will mention 10 common problems that third-generation Infiniti G35 vehicles are prone to experience. Number 1. The plastic shoe of the left secondary timing chain tensioner in some of these vehicles is prone to experience excessive wear, causing the engine to develop rattling noises at startup and at low RPMs due to the excessive chain slack, and it also causes whining noises when accelerating due to the secondary timing chain rubbing against the metal plunger located below the worn-out plastic shoe. The primary timing chain tensioner guide is also prone to experience abnormal wear in some of these vehicles, causing the primary timing chain to have slack. Number 2. The throttle body unit in some of these vehicles is prone to malfunction, causing the engine to have very low idle. Cleaning the throttle body unit with throttle body cleaner sometimes solves the problem, but in many cases the throttle body unit is defective and needs to be replaced. Number 3. The crankshaft and camshaft position sensors in some of these vehicles are prone to malfunction and to experience premature failure, causing the engine to stall suddenly while driving. Replacing the bad sensor solves the problem. Number 4. The window motors and window regulators in some of these vehicles are prone to experience premature failure, causing the affected window not to roll up. Replacing the damaged regulator with a new one solves the problem. Number 5. The front lower control arm bushings are prone to experience rapid wear, causing alignment issues and uneven tire wear. Replacing the worn bushings and realigning the vehicle solves the problem. Number 6. The manual transmission in some of the earlier models of this generation is prone to make grinding noises when shifting between third and fourth gear. If the vehicle continues to be driven, the grinding will gradually take place when shifting to the other gears also. Rebuilding the bad transmission or replacing it with a new one solves the problem. Number 7. The wheel bearings in some of these vehicles are prone to become noisy between 90 and 130,000 miles and need to be replaced. Number 8. The valve cover gaskets are prone to develop oil leaks after the vehicle reaches 150,000 miles. Number 9. The leather seats tend to crack and rip over time. Number 10. The exterior paint tends to fade, crack, and peel off when the vehicle is exposed to sunlight for prolonged periods of time. There you have it, my friends. Those are 10 common problems that third-generation Infiniti G35 vehicles are prone to experience. Take care.